First of all, I would like to pay my sincere gratitude for SLAS organizing committee to give an opportunity to present my research work. My research work is based on the effect of commonly found organic acids in food industry for the degradation of cementitious materials. Even though stainless steel surfaces are considered to be the most preferred contacting surfaces used in food industry, cementitious surfaces are still used in local industries. In this study, we have focused on 3 different carboxylic acids which are common byproducts of food industry, including citric acid, malic acid and acetic acid, to evaluate their impact on cementitious materials. During this study, we used different concentrations such as 1m citric acid, 1m malic acid and 10m acetic acid to treat with previously weighed small cement strips. And the treated strips were analyzed with PXRD and FTIR. According to visual observations, after 1 hour of dipping time, 1m citric acid and 1m malic acid have shown weight loss percentages of 15.05% and 15.24% respectively, while the cement strips dipped in 10m acetic acid have shown a complete dissolution. PXRD results were taken for sand, ordinary Portland cement, hydrated cement and for citric acid treated cement strips. FTIR results were obtained for 3 different acid solutions and for treated cement strips, sand, ordinary Portland cement and hydrated cement. According to PXRD results, ordinary Portland cement has shown 2 theta values corresponding to aluminium sulfide, aluminium oxide and for calcium and aluminium. In contrast, hydrated cement has shown compounds including gypsum, alpha silicon dioxide, calcite, calcium silicate hydrate like compounds. The 2 theta values for 1m citric acid treated cement strips have shown silicolite, silicon dioxide, magnesium oxide and calcite like compounds. FTIR results have depicted different characteristic peaks corresponding to acid treated cement strips compared to hydrated cement. Hydrated cement has shown a wave number at 1004 per centimeter, which is relevant for calcium silicate hydrate bond. Acid-treated cement strips have shown their characteristic acetate group bond in between the wave number of 1538 and 1580 per centimeter. It can be concluded that different carboxylic acid have impacted the crystal phases as well as the bond structures of hydrated cement. Also, to have an impact, it should have a sufficient concentration of acids. Because of that, it can be suggested that effluents having sufficient concentration of acids can be used to remove cement stains on surfaces. Thank you.